Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Nissan Sunny and this car misfire. You have to remove manifold in this car. So which cylinder misfire we don't know. So today I will show you how you know which cylinder misfire. If your ignition coil is, when you remove it, if ignition coil is perfect, how you know? So first remove plugs, okay, one by one. Which one is damaged? When you remove, you understand which cylinder not working. See, this is perfect. Okay, first, second, this one also perfect, and third. See, this plug's damaged, that means this cylinder not working. This plug also damaged, or ignition coil also you have to replace. See difference between this one and that one. And I remove this one also. You can see here, see, three of them are perfect but one is damaged. You can see here, that means this cylinder not working. That's why this plug damaged. So you have to replace this plug also, and you have to replace ignition coil also, same cylinder. Okay, thank you.